What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm in San Antonio, Texas, and we are standing in front of the Alamo. We're going to walk around, check out the sights, read some of the history plaques, go inside. Now, they're not allowing video inside, so I probably won't show much on this video other than what's outside here. We're mostly here for the river walk and enjoy the day along the river and taking in the shops. So let's see what we can get into and enjoy the day. Davy Crockett. So here's a view of what it was. We're standing in this long section right here. And that's what this hallway is. This tree's incredible. Look at this thing. Calling this the Spanish Hospital. Says the Alamo holds the distinction of housing the first recorded hospital in Spanish Texas. I know I didn't show you much of the Alamo, but we're going to go the river walk and enjoy the riverboat. Seeing a bit of the rich history of the Alamo is nice, and relaxing on the river walk is nice as well. So you walk around the river, take in some shops, maybe take the little boat ride. Here's a nice little view of the other side of the bridge we're standing on. So it's all nice and shaded. Like I said, we'll walk some shops, take a boat ride. There goes the river patrol. Here comes one of the boats now. There we go, we made it to river level. Nice little restaurants, bars, boutiques, shops, bridges to cross over to the other side. Very nice. Ready for a boat ride?
Yeah.
All right, let's take the river cruise. Did you have a good time?
I did.
All right, that was a nice tour. Let's go for a walk. There we go. That was a fun little boat ride. I enjoyed it a lot. Wife really enjoyed it. It's right up her alley. Had a lot of fun. Seen a lot of the shops on our way by that we will probably stop and take a look at or eat at. We're not sure where we're going to eat yet. What's up, fellas? You waiting on a drink? It's nice and cool under here. This is really nice. Spots along the walk that have no railings, no guardrails, no nothing, and little clips to tie all boats. So yeah, one little misstep, or you had one too many to drink, and you're going in to drink. Splash. This is awesome. There's the Rainforest Cafe, little jungle themed restaurant. That's pretty cool. Belly up at the bar. Or here's the menu. Appetizers, soup, salads, pastas, add-ons, sides, seafood, beef, pork, and chicken, and sandwiches. Come up out of the Riverwalk. You see Hard Rack Cafe spinning around up there. There's all kinds of restaurants street side as much as there is down here. Well, that was a lot of fun. Relaxing. Yeah, I fire hose through around the Alamo. We was just kind of enjoying it. And a lot of places they didn't want video taken. And this we just relaxed, enjoyed the shade of the Riverwalk, and enjoyed the riverboat. So whatever I got for you, I hope you enjoyed. And it's time to move west a little more and see what else we can find. All right, from San Antonio, Texas, and the Riverwalk. Wife and I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. All right, till next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Happy out.